Okay, so here we are discussing another topic of nomenclature, that is rules of alkynes, right? We are done with the rules of alkane and alkenes. Now it's the turn of alkyne. Alkyne basically means triple bond, right? As ane means a single bond, ene means double bond, and yne means triple bond. So here let's go with the first rule, that is choose the longest carbon containing chain which must include triple bond. Like you need to choose the chain that has triple bond. For example, CH3C triple bond C, CH3, and here let's put CH4, right? So here now we have to give the numbering where the chain is closest. So here we will give numbering like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this way, where the triple bond is more closest to the carbon, we need to choose it, right? Regardless of alkyl radical, choose the end closest chain. Whatever the alkyl radical is, for example, here we have this. So ignore this for now. Only for this, ignore this. And you just need to look where the triple bond is closest, right? Second rule is also clear to you. Now let's move to the third, that is start numbering carbon from the triple bond. This rule relates to this rule as well. For example, here we started giving numbering like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 just because of the triple bond was closest to this carbon. Like 1 on second it is, right? But from here 1, 2 and 3 on third carbon it is. So yes, it is more closest to this. This is why we are like numbering this carbon from here, this side. Now change the suffix ane into yne. As I mentioned before and I said before, ane means single bond, right? And yne means triple bond. So of course when we are talking about the rules of alkynes, so we need to change it from ane to yne. Here actually we are comparing the alkanes to alkynes. This is why we have put this. For example, let's take an example, CH3, CH2, CHC and CH3. Let's put here 3 bonds, okay? Now let's start with the numbering first. So what do you think? From where we should start? I think we should start it from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And what is 4 carbon? Meth, eth, prop, bute, right? First let's write bute. And what is the bond here? Yne. And on which carbon the bond is? It is on the first carbon. Here you can see it is on this carbon, right? So here we will be write 1-butyne. Let's take another example as well. For example, CH. CH4, right? So from where we will be giving the numbering from here 1, 2 and 3, right? Ignore the structure, only look at the bond now. CH3, oh, here we have 1, 2, 3. So what will be meth, eth, prop, propyne, 1 propyne, because it is on the first carbon, so it will be 1 propyne. Clear? Now let's move to another rule. Just give me a minute, let me set it down. Okay, so let's move another rule, that is when there are 2 or more triple bond, use the prefix di, tri and so on, like di, tri, tetra. If you have the same like alkyl radical twice, so use di. For example, just give me a minute, let me give you an example. For example, let me think. Yes, CH3, C, triple bond C, C, triple bond CH1 or CH, right? So here you can see we have 2 triple bond. Now from where we should give the numbering? So here we have to see as well from where the triple bond is closest. It is on the second carbon, and from here it is on the first carbon. So I think we should give numbering from here because the triple bond is more closest to this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? We have 2 bonds here, so we'll use di. How die? First of all, let's see. 1 meth, eth, prop, but, pent. Pent mean 5 and it is triple bond, so just put YNE. No, sorry. It will be pent, meth, eth, prop, but, pent. And how many bonds we have? 2, right? So it will be di. And on which carbon it is? It's on the first and the third. So put here 1 and the third. 1, 3, pentyne. Pendyne, right? Let's move to the last rule, that is when triple and double bond are on the same location, the priority is given to its double bond. For example, you have a structure in that you have double bond. On one side you have double bond on the second carbon, and on the left side you have the triple bond on the second carbon. So we'll choose the carbon that has the double bond, because the rule says that the priority is given to double bond, right? I can elaborate this by an example. Let's see. CH2 triple bond, no sorry, double bond here. CH2 C and CH, right? Here on the first carbon we have double bond, and on the third carbon, on the third carbon we have triple bond. So what do you think, where we should place the numbering? So I think, as the rule says, the priority is given to the second carbon, right? This double bond. So we'll give it numbering like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meth, eth, prop, but, right? So the numbering will be meth, eth, prop, but, pent. First for write pent, and we have double bond En. 1 pentene. We have 1 pentene, right? Ene mean double bond. En here double bond present, right? And we have 5 Yne. So instead 4 Yne, right? So we should write Yne. Like, this is the way you can write the rules, and Yne, Ene, this is the way, right? So maybe the all rules are clear to you, and these are the rules of alkynes.